Hello friends, welcome back. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe. Today I will show you how you can access your desktop computer or your laptop from some other computer or from a mobile device. Please subscribe and stay tuned. How you can access the Chrome remote desktop, and with this application you can access your desktop from any device, even from your phone if you are not at home. So this enables you to access your desktop from anywhere using a browser. So first you have to install Chrome remote desktop in your computer. Install Chrome remote desktop in your computer. After the installation, you launch the app and it will show you your desktop name, and then when you will move next to configure it, it will ask to set a pin. It can recognize the valid user using this pin. If someone wants to access it from a mobile device, the mobile will ask for this pin to be set on that device to access this computer. So click start. App will show your desktop name and it will give you the option to bring it online. So click online and it will bring the machine to online. Once the machine is online, you will see the reflection of the same desktop multiple times because it is giving the same view of the machine which is echoed several times. Now to generate the code, it is like an OTP code that can be shared with someone who want to access this computer from outside or from another device. You will see the reflection of the same desktop multiple times because it is giving the same view of the machine which is echoed several times. Click on the session option. Okay. Look for the icon in the address bar to enable it. So I have to enable clipboard synchronization. Allow it and it is done. Enable clipboard synchronization, you are all set. Okay. After the setting, you have to give permission for others to access this computer. You can access another computer with Chrome remote desktop even from your mobile phone. You can download and install it. So get support, select generate code. I have to select generate code from get support. So for that, go to Chrome remote desktop and click on it, and since the machine is online, you can directly go to get support once the code is generated, you can share this with the person who want to access this computer from some other device. Even from his mobile he will be able to access this using Chrome browser. So copy it or send it as a text. Now go to the other computer and open up Chrome browser and search for Chrome Remote Desktop. Click on it and click on the Give Support. Scroll down and click on Give Support and type in the code that was generated by the host computer. So type in the code 1703 7673 6695. So it works like OTP. So every time you want to connect, it will generate a new code that is valid for 5 minutes. So the code is being read and it will ask for the permission from the host, and from the host machine you can grant permission for this user to access the host system, and it gives the desktop view of my system. Now let's do it from mobile phone. Try to connect from the mobile phone and see if it works. Go to Play Store and download Chrome Remote Desktop. After the installation, launch the app. And once the app is running, it will show you the list of desktop that you have allowed to share as host. So click on the desktop. It should connect. And once you enter the PIN, it will allow you to access the remote desktop host with that PIN. So it recognizes the user from the Gmail login that is used in the Chrome browser from both the system, host and your mobile device. And we can see it is working. So now see it working side by side by writing something on Paint from your mobile device. So I have opened Paint from my mobile phone and selecting a brush to draw something. So I am scratching on my phone and it do write on the desktop. As I move my cursor, it allow me to write on the screen of both mobile phone and desktop. The left hand side is the desktop view and the right hand side is the mobile phone view. I can write a text on the phone and it writes on the desktop. So basically the desktop is in control from the mobile phone. So I write a sample text here. And it is good, it's working. So thanks for watching. Do like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.